Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to install a full lace wig with the sew down method in the back. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also turn on your alarm bell so you are updated as soon as I post new videos. So jumping straight into this video, I went ahead and did ball cap method already, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and try the wig on my client. I'm going to clean her hairline with 91% or stronger alcohol, and then I'm going to go in with the scalp protector, which you see me using in this clip, to just give her extra protection around her hairline. In each one of my videos, I pretty much use the same steps to apply a lace frontal or a lace wig. So I'm going to show you only one layer of me adding the glue, but for her install I did use 4 layers, and I am using the Ghost Bond Supreme. Now that you have added all your layers of glue, you can go ahead and pull that lace into the glue and have your client assist you by holding each end down in place until you blow dry it where it is dry enough. Combs and kind of pull the lace down more into the glue and just comb the hairs back, because that also gives it a more melted look as well. In this next part of the video, I want you guys to pay close attention. Her lace wig is bigger than her head, so I'm going to gently part and neatly part around her ears and cut off that extra lace on both sides. Whatever you are using, just gently tap it into the glue. Don't mash it because you don't want to make it look messy. showing you guys how I cut my clients' lace wigs to fit their head perfectly, because in some situations you may have clients whose wigs are bigger than their head and you do want it to fit. So I'm going to go ahead and part off a section from the front, well, from the side and the back of the wig, and then I'm going to cut all the extra piece off. You want to make sure that you do this step because it is very, very important. In this video, my client wanted her back sewed down, but if she wanted to have it glued down, you definitely want to cut it to fit their head, because you don't want to have to glue their wigs way at the bottom of their neck. It's very unnecessary. I'm going to go ahead and feel for the braids from the left side of the head to the right side of the head, because you want to stitch on that braid through the wig to secure the wig will stay down. Now that you have completed the stitching from left to right, you can go ahead and let all their hair down. I'm not going to show you guys how I am curling her hair in this video, because I currently have another video that I recently posted of my cut and curl technique, so go ahead and check that video out, by the way. But guys, I'm just going to show you the finishing look of her hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.